How to fix TikTok's comments not loading. Sometimes the creator of the video has limited who can comment, or you have accidentally hidden certain comments. So to check that, simply press on the TikTok application and go to your profile section. Then simply tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and press on the settings and privacy. Then simply press on the manage posts and tap on the manage comment permissions. You need to have a post something on your profile, and if you have posted some of the videos, then from here you'll be able to see that it is ensured that the comment is set to everyone option. And if this doesn't fix, try updating the application by going to the Play Store and go to the search bar and tap on the TikTok. Now simply press on the update icon if there is any. If it shows open, that means you already have the up-to-date version. For future use, you can always enable the auto update by pressing on the vertical dot, and there is the enable auto update. Simply press on enable auto update. Now close the application. Now long press on the application, tap on the app info, scroll down to storage, tap on storage and simply tap on clear cache and close all the application. And now try reopening the application TikTok and your problem will be fixed. And thank you for watching this video, guys. If you find this video useful, consider liking and subscribing to this channel.